Happy holidays, everyone. This is Zach Fell from Pro Sax Tips, and today we're going to be talking about controlling beginning and ending of phrases. And there's an exercise that I was taught to help control our dynamics from a beginning of a phrase to an end of a phrase, and what my teacher called a crescendo decrescendo exercise. And below there's a link in the description area where you can see a picture of the exercise that I'm going to be going through. So what I do is I start with a major scale, and for this example I'm going to be using concert E flat or the C major scale on the saxophone. And I'm going to start with little C on the sax, and I'm just going to work myself down to low C. Each note is going to take as long as the breath control you have. So you're going to start with air, crescendo as strong as you can without sounding overblown and gross, back down to air. And for example, this is what C would sound like doing this exercise. Now I have much more air left, but for this video purpose, I'm just giving you examples of how this works. If I was doing this in my warm-up, then I would use my full air to go from very soft to very strong forte or fortissimo back down to air. I'll do another few notes. I'll do B. And one more, A. And you work yourself all the way down to low C. And once you do that, then you go back to middle C and you work your way up all the way up to high C. And once you feel you have control, or starting to feel that your control is getting better, then start applying that to the pieces you're preparing. Last week, I was working on that piece, the Second Sonata by Handel, the Marcel Mule transcription for violin and piano. And if you listen to the beginning and ending of my phrases, the ones that start soft, crescendo, and back down to piano again, that's basically what I am doing, is implementing the techniques and the progress through that exercise. And I'll play a couple phrases from that piece again so you can hear it without going back to the other video. Alright, so that's using the crescendo decrescendo exercise and implementing that into the pieces you're working on. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you like the video, please click the like, wherever that is, down over here somewhere probably, and hit the subscribe button if you think you want to watch more of my videos. Appreciate it all, and I'll see you guys in the new year. Happy holidays!